Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. Hopefully, you are doing absolutely amazing. This is your boy krishush again with another fantastic video. And in this tutorial, we are going to learn types of functions. And on previous video, also we have discussed, but one of you has sent a message DM on Instagram, and they asked to explain me types of functions in a single video. So yeah, I am here, and if you also want to understand any topic, you can directly DM me. Link is in the description. So as you can see, there are two types of functions in Java. First is predefined functions, and second is user-defined function, and they're also known as user-defined functions. So as you can see, the functions which is predefined in the library is called a predefined function. As you can see that the functions which are already defined by the Java developers in their own library known as predefined functions. And as you can see, the example of predefined functions are print, println, next int, next float, and lots of functions are there which is predefined. And we have previously also talked about this, so you can also watch that video if you have not watched yet that. And another is user defined function. The functions which is made by the user is called the user defined functions, like add for addition, sub for subtraction, subtractions, multiply, division, or etc. The functions are known as user defined name. Like if you also want to create any function for a specific task, so you can create it. So in a future, like if in future on that same code, you can use that function easily. So that helps us to save our time, that help us to save the timeline and lines also in coding, which is most important thing. So hopefully you had enjoyed this video. If you have really enjoyed this, so please do not forget to like it. And if you have any doubt, you can comment and ask me on Instagram also. So thank you guys for watching this video. Bye bye.